Planning a girl baby shower and want to make it extra special and beautiful? Tired of the same old pink decorations and looking for unique and stylish ideas? Whether you want a classic, boho, floral, or modern theme, I've got 10 must-try decor ideas that will make your celebration truly magical. Stick around till the end because I'll be sharing one simple trick that will instantly elevate your baby shower decor.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpedia, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
What are the best color themes for a girl baby shower? Color sets the tone for the entire event, and while pink is a timeless choice, there are so many other gorgeous options. Blush and gold give an elegant and classy look. Lavender and sage create a soft and dreamy vibe. If you're looking for something playful, peach, coral, and cream make a fun and unique combination. Love these color ideas? Give this video a like and share it with someone planning a baby shower. How can I create a stunning backdrop for a girl baby shower? A beautiful backdrop makes your event Instagram-worthy and ties the theme together. Floral balloon garlands add a chic touch with pastel colors. A custom name sign with fairy lights and draped fabric gives a modern, sophisticated look. If you're going for a themed shower, a backdrop with butterflies, boho rainbows, or soft clouds will instantly make a statement. Want more backdrop inspiration? Check the description for my favorite decor picks. What are the best table decoration ideas for a girl baby shower? A beautifully set table creates an elegant and inviting space for your guests. Use lace or sheer table runners in soft pastel shades. Gold or rose gold tableware and glassware add a luxurious feel. Mini floral arrangements in vases with pearls or ribbons make perfect centerpieces. Which table decor style do you love the most? Comment below and let me know. How can I make gorgeous centerpieces for a girl baby shower? A stunning centerpiece is the focal point of your baby shower tables. Use mason jars filled with fresh roses or peonies for a soft, romantic touch. Stack vintage books with candles and pearls for a charming, classic look. If you love DIY, create mini baby carriage centerpieces filled with flowers and cute baby-themed items. Want centerpiece ideas tailored to your theme? Subscribe for more creative baby shower decor tips. What are some cute dessert table ideas for a girl baby shower? A dessert table should be as beautiful as it is delicious. Arrange cupcakes and cookies decorated with baby girl themes like bows, crowns, or butterflies. A macaron tower in soft pink, white, or peach adds an elegant touch. Use cake stands and trays with floral accents to enhance the overall look. Which dessert do you think is a must-have for a baby shower? Drop your answer in the comments. How can I add DIY decor to a girl baby shower? Adding handmade elements makes the shower more personal and unique. Create a DIY fabric bunting banner with soft colors and floral prints. Make personalized name tags or thank you notes with a handwritten touch. Use wooden baby blocks painted in pastel colors as table decor. Love DIY decor? Check the description for my full list of DIY baby shower projects. How can I set up a stylish seating area for a girl baby shower? A stylish seating area adds comfort and enhances the decor. Use vintage chairs with blush or beige cushions for a classic look. Set up a cozy lounge area with floor pillows, rugs, and boho-style teepees. For an extra touch, add a floral swing or a wicker chair with a beautiful flower arrangement. Want more cozy seating ideas? Check the description for my recommended decor pieces. What lighting works best for a girl baby shower? The right lighting makes the baby shower feel warm and inviting. Hang fairy lights across the venue for a soft, dreamy effect. Use candle lanterns in gold or rose gold for an elegant glow. If you're having an outdoor shower, string lights wrapped around trees or a pergola create a magical atmosphere. Do you prefer fairy lights or candles for a baby shower? Let me know in the comments. These 10 girl baby shower decor ideas will help you create a beautiful and unforgettable celebration for your little princess. Which idea are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for all my favorite baby shower decor recommendations. Let's make this baby shower stunning and memorable.